This is Jeffrey Zellers again from the Legacy Network. This is video 3 going over our WinFlex Web. You can, if you're not registered at WinFlex Web, you can register here at this link. You'll have to fill out some information, and I will see if I can go through this. We will register together. Username. This needs to be unique, so whichever name you want to. Your full name. Company name, you can do whichever one you want. Just make sure you fill out the red marks. Continue. This is the important thing here. You need to search for the Legacy Network. If you do not find the Legacy Network, if you do not click on the Legacy Network, you will have to get approved by each carrier individually. If you select the Legacy Network, it'll automatically approve you for all of these carriers right here on our website. You hit complete registration and it'll give you access to that. You will get a temporary password that you will have to use, and you can go in and change it at a later date. So you go in to log in, start WinFlex Web. This is a great tool. This allows you to go in and run multiple UL quotes with under one area for one client. It's just fantastic. The downside is that it does run off of the speed of your internet. So the faster the internet, obviously the faster it's going to be. The slower the internet, the slower it's going to be. This is probably the best tool that we have to offer. This allows you to have the flexibility and the freedom of running the quotes whenever and wherever you have internet access. So you see the list of carriers here. We're just going to just really quickly run a Sun Life illustration, and we'll do the Sun Life Universal Protector version 2. We will have a list of products we can send out to you, so you know which guarantee products to run under certain scenarios. But you clicked on you select the product and you hit Create Client, and it'll populate just a pretty much generic fields, just like any other illustration software. Sample client, date of birth, remember, please put date of birth just for the real age carriers. We'll solve for $500,000 of no lapse protection here. We're only going to want this thing to run to 102, so do at 102. We'll do monthly. We'll select sample agent. So I solve for the insured's information, policy options if you want to do 1035s, lump sums, policy riders. If you want to select riders, you can come in here and select the riders that you want. You select different reports, and if you want to run it, you hit calculate. And this just gives you the guaranteed tabulations on a guaranteed product, and then I'll show you how to pull off the full illustration so you can print it off, save it. It'll be generated as a PDF version. So what it shows, you here again what the premium is. Lapses at 102. It shows you the shortcut of the policy, info of what the target is if you want. Click on illustration package, and this will give you the PDF version of it. Populates right here for you. It's a full-blown illustration, and very, very handy. So you can save this if you want. You can print it off. Very, very great tool. If you want to go in and change it, you can hit edit, and it goes back and changes. You can edit this stuff here. If you want to change the product, you just hit change, and you select the company with the product, and you copy and add that client. And it pops them down here. So you have the Sun Life saved here, then you have the link in here. Everything stays the same. You can hit calculate, and it'll take care of it for you that way. Very great tool, something that I would advise you to get to know intimately. This will help you immensely. That is the end of our 3 videos. I want to show you some of the technology that we had. Please feel free to contact me if you have any questions. We'll be having a conference call on Wednesday the 20th, I believe, to go over this in more detail, to answer questions that you may have. Thank you again for your time, and I look forward to working with you.